Hello everyone, my name is Andy and this course is called Yijing Leadership and Management. As you all know, I'm the author of the book Yijing Explained. This one-day course is now recorded into a video, and when you go for it, you're able to enjoy the course anytime, anywhere, unlimited times, and most importantly, you have a one-to-one access to me, the trainer, by asking questions via the Facebook Messenger. Here's some short background about me. I've been doing training coaching since the year 2001. As you can see, I'm trained as an accountant. And as an accountant, I look at things from a very logical point of view. So Yijing is something that I first came to contact at the age of 23 in 1987. And I was looking for something that I can learn during my school vacation times, and I first came across Yijing. However, I find it very difficult to learn and understand. And after 30 over years, I've decided to, why not make it simple understanding? More importantly, release a course on this. And this is a recorded video so that you can learn this course anytime, anywhere, unlimited times. I'm also the author of the world's first and only book on WeChat in English called Practical WeChat Marketing 94 Ways. And this is the Yijing book. If you're interested to get one, you can get it at Amazon, which will be much more higher than you get it from me directly. It is only at $19.95 Singapore dollars. So contact me to get this book if you have not got one. Also have these two other ebooks, How to Talk So People Listen and How to Sell Anything to Anybody at Any Price. At the end of the day, people often say, Yijing is about Chinese culture. What exactly is Chinese culture? Let's learn from this video.
1,000 years it goes back. 5,000. And I guess the oldest culture they say is Egypt at 8,000.
埃及更古老一些，但是呢，文化没有断过流的，始终传承下来的只有中国。
So this is your original form, right? Yeah, of course. 这就是原来的文化。对，是这样。
就我们这些人也是原来的人，
And people like us
黑头发、黄皮肤
could be traced back to
传承下
5,000
来
years
的，
ago.
我们叫龙的传人。
Red hair, yellow skin. We call ourselves the inheritance people going down from dragon.
So as you can see, the Chinese culture has been around for more than 7,000 or 8,000 years. However, written language of the Chinese is only 3,700 years. So Yijing is the starting of Chinese culture and civilization. So before that, you will know that there was no written language. Just symbols and drawings, lines, and that is called Yijing. It is the starting of sinology. Sinology means anything from China. It could be culture, history, literature, music, medicine. Sino is a French word. It means from China. So what exactly is Yijing? So ladies and gentlemen, just remember this. It is about maximum with minimum. So how can you achieve the maximum results with minimum effort? And the whole thing is all about harmony and integration with what? With nature. So when you have harmony and integration with nature, it is totally effortless. And it is always changing. So today you may have harmony, tomorrow things will change, and need to change your approach so that you will continue to have harmony and integration. Many people told me Yijing is very hard to understand. It is, because Yijing is about change. It's not easy. It is also easy. At the end of the day, this course is about Yijing for leadership and management. At the end of the same, leadership and management is also not easy. Otherwise, why are people so stressed? I like to hear from everybody. What do you choose to learn from today's course? If you're watching this video, you can actually message me on Facebook. What are the specific issues you want to be solved from Yijing? And I will answer them and tell you which slide or which content will be able to answer your questions. They say, be as specific as you can because whatever you ask for, you will achieve. This is also what I said in Yijing. This is our course contents. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to cover total 8 topics in Yijing Leadership and Management. Why 8? Oh, there's a reason for the number 8. And you realize that all these slides that they have the colors in the lines, and that is also a reason. All these are in line with Yijing. As a manager, as a leader, you'll find it sometimes quite stressful. Are you able to turn yourself from stress to success? Yijing will have the answers for you, ladies and gentlemen. At the end of the day, we need to have systems in place because systems run the business, people run the system. And leaders and managers, they need the people to manage space and resources with time limit. So Yijing is actually a system. It is a system because it is a system of regardless of people. That's right, regardless of who you are, Yijing will be able to give you the stability and growth. And more importantly, it can cater for all eventualities in people issues. The system is good because it will save your stress, time, energy, and money. Yijing is a system. At the end of the day, we systemize the routines and we humanize the exceptions. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready, let's begin the system. With system, you are able to have leverage. Leverage means you are able to do more with less. And it is ever more with ever less. That's right. You're able to earn more and more with lesser and lesser of deliberate effort. Let me say that one more time. You're able to earn more money, have more happiness with lesser and lesser of deliberate effort. That's the power of Yijing. So just to clarify, at the end of the day, when we talk about leadership or management, we are not really managing people. You can't manage people. I mean, you can manage yourself, right? Of course, you can manage space, you can manage resources. However, there's always a time limit. A manager is simply just creating conditions for success and not direct control people. So you don't really manage people. You create conditions for people to be able to successful in their work. And as a leader, you actually inspire people, you motivate people, you guide them, you influence them towards a common goal. You actually lead yourself. You don't really lead people. If you know Yijing, you know that at the end of the day, it all starts from you. And you're the most important person in this universe. So let's continue in our next video.